Guys, it's Amanda, Little Beach Panda here, and Chanel, and Captain Cody, and we are on the Sea Screamer in the rain, guys, and we are, look at the Osprey.
Yeah. You know, we've been wanting to get a picture,
Right there.
like close up of those before they leave the nest. We'll take a photo. Not really. They're talking to
I'll
us.
do it. Oh my God. I'll go up, I'll climb that ladder and take a photo.
I'm not serious, guy.
He's ready? He's ready. Dude, it's majestic out here.
That couple of birds has been using that nest for probably about, I don't know, first wave right there. Real
Right.
close to the back end of the boat.
Woo! Yeah.
Hang on, little boat, wait.
Oh, that one had a pink belly. Look at that belly. Yeah. Dude, it don't get no better than this, guys.
Did it go overboard? No, you got it.
Guys, we're at the Navy base, and we have a
And
hovercraft.
they can really fly across the surface of the water on a
They
fishing
fly.
event.
Oh.
See the ramps on there? They are strong enough. They can put 2 tanks
Wow.
on the deck of that hovercraft, fly it across the water, drive it up onto a beach, launch the tanks on a beach. The
Trying to feed the man. I better back up because if one gets me and I scream and then I drop my phone.
I think he's on the second wave now. Second wave now.
Oh yeah, there he is.
The wave's about to change shape. We got a big sandbar on the right. This wave is about to go kind of crazy here.
Let's see him change.
He's on the second swell out. See the wave grabbing that shallow water. It's kind of turning.
Woo! Guys, we escaped the storm. We're out here where it's beautiful, and we're looking at a house that the tornado hit.
Yet. It was just framed out.
Right there.
Hurricane Michael came through here and it fell down. And that was category 5.
Guys, look at it. It's so beautiful out here. We're dry right now. Here we go. Back into the past.
You're
Guys,
not
we're back.
obligated to.
Oh my
There if you want
goodness.
one. And
It was
hope y'all have an awesome
10
weekend.
out of 10.
And drive safe wherever you're
10
headed.
out of 10.
Thank y'all.